Okay, I bought this Renapur. It's a leather cleaner in a wax form. You can see by the name. What does it do? Well, there's the Jaguar seat, very dry looking. I spent exactly what I'd say about 20 minutes, if that. Time for a cup of tea to go cold, so I'm going to have another one in a minute. And look at the passenger seat. You can certainly see the difference. I like the tarnish look on it. I think it looks more original for a car that's 61-year-old. You don't want it nice and shiny, all glistening like new. This has taken 61 years to get this lovely marks in it. What a shame if I took that off. Anyway, I am very impressed. There's the seat's going to be dry. Anyway, we'll just have a little go. You can see how dry it is. Put a bit of this stuff on. I don't know if this is the right way to do it or not. I think so. Put it around in little circles. I'm going to leave it on to soak in. But you can actually see the difference. Look at the dryness going away. I know it'll dry, but if I keep on doing this, it is going to come up lovely. I know that. These seats, as I said, are about nearly 61 years old. And, well, if I can look after them and make them look really nice, I shall be very happy. I'm going to just keep on feeding these seats. It might take 2 to 3 months to keep on feeding them. Well, it's taken me 10 years to get them, so, you know, time is not an issue on this one, that's for sure. Just do it right. It's in a wax form, this stuff. It's very hard to do one-handed, but, you know, you don't need much. If that. Come back to a dry bit of seat. And as you can see, it's going on. I know it's a boring video, but hey, it's my Jag, so I don't care. Look at that. You can see the difference. I should do it in all these little grooves here. I should do it all over, which I have done to that seat, and I can see the difference. And I'm sure you guys can too. Jag at the moment, because it's so cold outside, you can't even see him, but he's actually in his car cocoon. So, there we have it.